Good night, tutor and colleagues. My name is Santiago Dixon Moreno. This is my map. The topic is about the use of ICT in education. The first item is values. Is respect by rhythm of each student and their needs. Encourage curiosity, improve psychomotor skills, to promote teamwork and cooperation, and at the same time learn to be autonomous. How the second item is objectives. Mastering disciplinary concepts of students and universal educational actions, regularity, cognitive and communicative, grace, educational, cognitive and social practice, the independence of the planning and execution of educational activities. The third item is training, development of creative possibilities and abilities of students, creating conditions for self-education of students in areas of interest to them, increasing the level of using visibility in the lesson, improving the productivity of the lesson, establishment of interdisciplinary established connections, the acquisition of real experience of intercultural education. The fourth item, knowledge. The usage of new information technologies in teaching is one of the most important aspects of improving and optimizing educational process. Enrichment of the arsenal of methodological tools and techniques that allow you to diversify the forms of work and make the process of teaching a foreign language interesting and memorable for students. The sixth item, literature review, is modern sources, information and communication technologies represent a wide range of digital technologies used for the creation, transmission and distribution of information and the provision of service, computer, equipment, software, cellular, electronic email, and satellite technologies, wireless and cable networks, multimedia and the internet. And finally, conclusion and recommendation. It is necessary that every teacher apply information and communication technologies in the educational process. A computer in the educational process, not as a mechanical teacher, a devoted teacher, but an active means of student development, strengthening and expanding the possibilities of his cognitive activity. And we have ICT advantage and ICT disadvantage. For example, ICT provides rich banks for research and information. ICT provides a sense of modernity and progress for teachers and learners. ICT offers multimedia capabilities. ICT can pave the way for individuals' learning, and ICT disadvantage, such as a lot of time and energy need to be spent of learning how to use ICT. Another disadvantage, teaching and learning can be negatively affected by what can be called. This is all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.